Hey guys, welcome back to Bloody Knuckles Garage. Looks like I had planned to do something else first on the Hummer today, but I swapped out the switches on the driver's side door, just with the part from my wreckers, because this piece that wasn't working for some reason, and one of the clips is broken, so it wasn't really secure in the door. But as a weird bonus, now the unlocker on the locker on the remote works. So, bonus. All right. Okay, man, there's a lot of kilometers on this thing. All right, guys, we're gonna try to get this into English so I can read more of it. Not everyone in Canada is bilingual. First thing we gotta do is make sure the door is closed. Fermez la porte, s'il vous plaît. All right, now with the door closed, should be able to. I think that's something with the oil, maybe. Oh, it says French. Okay, so now once you pick the language, push and hold the pin. Spanish. Okay, push and hold the pin again. English. And then a quick push. Boop. And I think that's it. Let's open the door and check it out. All right. Doors. Oh, very nice. Very nice. And because why not, the final upgrade for today will be modification. Why does my oil dipstick have this Girl Guide Scouts braiding project attached to it? I don't know. So, let's put in one that doesn't have that. Oh, now you just have to insert the new one in there. I know this is the toughest demonstration ever. And done. Excellent. I wish they were all that easy. All right, that's it for today, guys. Enjoyed the videos. Hope to see you next time.